Hello everyone. This is video number 10, and in last video I discussed the lesson Goose Chase. So in this video today we will be discussing all the difficult words and then we will discuss question and answer. As you can see that at the end of the lesson all the difficult words are mentioned here. See? Okay. So you have to write these words in your notebook and then you have to write their meaning. So this you have to do it in your classwork copy. You will write the difficult words and then you will write their meanings. Parts of speech is also mentioned over here. So do this in your notebook. Before doing this, what you can do that you will give the title of the lesson, that is Goose Chase. Then you paste the picture of a goose. Okay, you can paste it or you can draw the picture and then write about the bird, what kind of bird it is, how it looks like. Okay, so these things only 3 to 4 sentences. So before starting the lesson, how you will start the lesson? First you will give the title, then you will paste the picture of a goose, or if you want you can draw also, and then you will write 3 to 4 sentences about this bird. How this bird looks like, what are the features and all those things. I just want 3 to 4 sentences and then you will start the lesson. After that what you will do? You will copy down all the difficult words and you will write their meanings. Then we will do question and answer. In this video, I will discuss the answers. I will tell you the key points, but you have to write the answers in your own words. You will not be getting notes for these questions. Okay, I will not be sending any notes and all those things. You just listen what I'm talking and then you have to write the answers in your own words. Exercise A. Answer these questions with reference to the context. The next few days, the 4 of them discussed plans in secret. So this is the line from your lesson and now you have to answer the questions related to this sentence. Who does the 4 of them refer to? So what will be the answer? The phrase the 4 of them refers to the 4 friends. Beena, Vinita, Valerie and Nishi. So what were the name of the 4 friends? Beena, Vinita, Valerie and Nishi. Next question. What plans did they discuss? They were planning to save the geese from being slaughtered by the cooks for Christmas lunch. And they planned to steal the geese and hide them somewhere so that the cooks would not be able to find them. This was only the plan, that they wanted to just save the geese from being slaughtered and they wanted to steal the geese and hide them somewhere so that the cooks cannot find them. Why did they discuss the plans in secret? They discussed their plans in secret because they did not want anyone to know about it. Okay, next exercise, that is exercise B. Come to exercise B. Okay, exercise B. What we have to do in exercise B? Answer these questions briefly. What were the names of the geese and who were they named after? You know the answer. They were named after the famous explorers. And what were the name of the 4 explorers? The answer will be the 4 geese were named after the famous explorers Columbus, Marco Polo, Captain Cook and Amundsen. Why did the girls want to hide the geese? They wanted to hide the geese because they wanted to save them from being slaughtered for Christmas lunch. What excuse did Beena give for wearing an oversized blazer to school? Do you remember the excuse that she made and what she told to her sister Steele? What she told to sister Steele? The excuse was this: the lady upstairs threw water on her blazer and her mother told her to wear the oversized one. What happened when the girls tried to capture the geese? What happened? Was it very easy task to capture the geese? What I told you, the geese were running here and there and the girls were not able to catch them. So the answer will be, when the girls tried to capture the geese, they ran away to save themselves. What did Sister Steele tell the girls about the geese to confront them? Last question. Sorry, to comfort them. What did Sister Steele tell the girls about the geese to comfort them? So at last, what Sister Steele told to the girls? Sister Steele told the girls that the geese were not to be eaten, but to be played with and taken care of by the girls. So I have discussed the question and answer. After pasting the picture of a goose, after writing two to three sentences about that bird, what you will do, you will write word meanings. Word meanings are given at the end of your lesson. And beside these, if there are any difficult words that you find in the lesson, note down that words also in your copy. And then you will move to question and answer. I have discussed the answers. You have to write the answers in your own words. Okay? So thank you.